I was climbing in that. Hey. I'm good.
Wait, Habibi. We'll let Mom finish, and then she'll show you the picture, okay?
I don't even have the picture.
Is that good? Man? Is that good?
I have it? Please, can I have that?
Yes, in 1 second. This is Iman, almost 11 months, and she likes macaroni and broccoli. Although she's half asleep.
She's eating more than Simsim and Baba. She's gonna be bigger than both of us. Because she's eating so much.
Yeah.
Wow.
And she's gonna beat you.
Yeah.
Hi, Mano.
I'm
Hi, Mama.
this.
Me too.
Is that yummy?
Iman. Almost finished.
She's eating herself to sleep.
We put a nice song about King Abdullah.
Hold on.
Yeah, a song about King Abdullah. Yeah.
Malik Abdullah?
Yeah.
Malik? What is it? Can you say it to me?